What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American 4WD. Hope you're having an awesome day. Today, me and my father-in-law, Tony. Tony's wave, say hi. We're out here in the woods. This will be the first ever time that will be on the trails. So this is its test run. This place that we're at is really close to the shop, so just in case anything happens, we're very close by. We can get rescued. He can drag me out of whatever. But we're out here. We're about to have a badass time, and we finally get to see what this thing is going to do. So let me show you a quick few things. We double-checked it, triple-checked it before we left. I've got the hood up right now because I'm triple checking everything, making sure everything's good to go. The fluid, nothing did anything stupid. No leaks up under it. So I have put it in 4 low and 4 high, and obviously I have the FAD system working. So it has been in 4-wheel drive before, which I know works, and it has done a quick little flexy thing on some dirt and some rocks. So, but other than that, as far as like a day off-roading, who knows? We don't really know what it's gonna do. But anywho, so yeah, we're gonna give her all the way here. We're gonna find out exactly. Tony's going down to 18 PSI, or did you stay at 20? 18? Hell yeah, rock and roll. So we'll give it the old college try here. Real excited to get it on an obstacle if everything goes well, and kind of give it the goose a little bit, just a little bit of that goose. See what it sounds like, see what it does. But guys, we'll start the trail right here.
Pretty smooth so far.
A little bit driver. A little bit driver. There you go. Yeah, just get up to it. See if it'll just crawl. Go ahead. No, it ain't doing it. All right, come up. Yep. That'll work. That'll work. That'll work. There we go. Nice.
I'd go a lip. Well, you got the clearance.
That's it.
Made it look easy. And that.
Clearance the tires. Yep, just like that. A little bit driver. There you go. A little bit more driver. More driver. A little bit more driver. There you go. Right there. Yep, nice and slow. That's great. It's alright. You're good. Alright, now hard driver. There you go. As you move, turn driver. As you move, turn hard driver. There you go. May have to put it in. Are you jiggling this thing? Hard driver. There you go. It's just gonna come down nice and easy. All right, you're almost to the back end dropping down. You might three-wheel it for a minute, but that's okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice and easy. Easy does it. Good job. Your brain makes you think it's worse than what it is.
Yeah.
Your butthole like this? Yeah. Jesus. I think you caught air. There you go. Keep it straight. A little bit driver. There you go. Easy does it. Keep going. All right, now hard passenger. Yep. All the flex. So now we have made it to the waterfall. Oh, this water's gonna be cold. Ho, 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 boy, woo! Yeah. What do you think of the waterfall? It's awesome. Straight. Just keep the driver's side close to that tree. Nice. Like it's nothing.
I know she did at that time. It was a real easy drop. keep it level.
I can't really see, but it should. It's about to come down. Whether you're ready for it or not. All right. Hold on, Skippy. Going too fast. Continue. Hold up. Hold on. Still move. Oh. Huh. Let's do this. All right, back up just a little bit. A little bit more. There you go, right there. You were on your rear diff. You were on your rear diff. No, God no. No, you can go. Let me build up this track a little bit. Hold on. That's a flat rock. Rock and roll. Okay. Try that one. All right, hold up, back up. Back up. Right there. Hold it. All right, you're good. We just got to build it up. Hold this for a second.
Get a Bigfoot out in the woods.
Yeah, all right, now go ahead. Give it some. There you go. Right there, right there. Stop. Too much. It's all right. Nah. Hold on, wait. Back up just a little bit. Nah, it's good. All right, so let's get you, honestly, right there is pretty damn good. But you'll be climbing 2 steps at the same time. Turn it back up just a little bit. A little bit more. Just a hair. A little bit more. More. Stop. All right, turn it driver. There you go, right there. Just kind of ease into it, see what it does. A little bit more driver. There we go. Nice. Hard passenger. Nice. Yeah. All right. So back up just a smidge, right there, and just give her a quick little bump. Quick. No, you need to go passenger. A little bit more, right there. That's good. Just a quick little bump, just to get that. There you go. Kind of like that, but yep, pretty much. You weren't all the way up to the obstacle yet, so there's going to be that pause before you actually hit the obstacle, and once you feel the front end come up, then stop. All right, stop. That's much better. All right, now before you go any further, you need to go hard driver back up just a little bit. You're a little bit offline. Yeah. Uh-oh. Foul. Failure. All right, let me go look. Back up hard driver just a little bit more. Yeah. Keep going. That's good. All right, now passenger. A little bit more passenger. All right, and just crawl. A little bit more passenger as you come up. More passengers, more passengers. There you go. More passengers, more passenger. There you go, right there. Straight. Yep, let it crawl. Ah! All right, hold up. All right, back up, hard driver. A little bit more, a little bit more. Right there. All right, passenger, right there. May have to put a rock in there. See what that does. Hard driver, hard. All right, stop right there. Yeah, keep your wheels just like that and come forward. Yep, keep coming at me. All right, it's gonna come up. Maybe not. Back up just a little bit. Straighten up. Right there. All right, now come up. All right, stop. All right. Yep. It just bent it up a little bit. I'm sure if you step on it, it'll pop back down. Yeah. There you go. Perfect. It's fixed. See? You didn't break it. That was fun. You got to get in the off-road, what is it? If you know, if you're scratching something, you're wheeling.
This is true.
Yes.
I mean, yeah, that's all I tore up was running board.
Yeah, I mean, it's still there, too. You can probably step on it. I mean, you stepped on it. It holds your weight, so rock and roll. It's still good. You know what's weird is I think I have JL rock sliders, actually. Stock ones. But they're rock sliders. Uh-oh. You mended
It's busting all the hell out of it. It's busting
You
all
mended it and then you broke it.
No, it was already busted all the hell out. I just finished it off.
Finished it off. All right, cool.
Well, we got sliders on.
All right, so we're finally out of the trail, and success. Success is all I have to say. Getting used to this is a whole different ball game. I guess I'm spoiled from the JK world, but this thing is a whole different monster.
I got them cleaned out.
You got a what?
Got them cleaned out.
You got them cleaned out? Okay. Yeah, it's a complete monster. Trying to hold back the torque in 4 low is, you have to have thunder thighs to hold it back. I mean, it's insane. So you try to have to swap between neutral drive as you go down stuff. But I don't know. I'll probably upgrade the proportioning valve and do some other stuff to the brakes, make them clamp a little bit harder. But super successful, 0 issues. Yeah, I can't say anything bad about it. Oh, we did have one little issue. When I flex real hard and turn, it touches my front bumper just a hair. But it doesn't touch any of this, so cool, you know, quick little woohoo, and we're done with there. Huh? No, it'll say more when it's running. If you kill it, then you can read the PSI. But yeah, I went down to 6 PSI. Tony went down to 18, and no issues. Had a great time. Slipped a little bit. Got the engine to you know, open the throat hole a little bit, so that was cool. Finally got to hear it and feel what, you know, having a V8 on the trail feels like. It's really nice. Doing harder stuff than when I've had a V8 in the past. When I had the V8 in the past, it was long ago, and I wasn't doing, you know, as hard of stuff as I do now. So it's really cool. But yeah, yeah. Besides a little bit of tire rubbing, that's it. We had zero issue. She did fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I went ahead and popped the hood, one, to cool off, but number two, because I forgot to fill my air tank. I have my CO2 tank, and I forgot before this trip to fill it up. So got to use Old Faithful over there for Tony and me. So going from 6 PSI to 30 on all of mine, and then all of his tires from 18 to 30. I think it's gonna be putting in some work today. I got a few little scratches on it, like on the back bumper. I came off a rock and did a little bit there, but that's okay. Tony got some awesome damage. He took out the step on this side, which was bound to happen. Yeah, yeah. It finally left the chat. He finally took it out. So. What else? I think that was it. Yeah, that was it. So, see the overlook. So some cool sights. You got to go up a waterfall. Got to go down a waterfall. You got to beat the shit out of it. You got to go up rocks. I mean, I don't know what else you could ask for.
It was a full day of awesome. A good dinner.
Yes. And now, speaking of that, we are gonna go to River Drifters, I think. Charlie's probably gonna have some good old-fashioned food for us. But guys, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming along with us. We had a great time. It was a blast. Definitely, now that we know everything is good, and you know, a couple little doodads here and there, rock and roll. I guess I'm starting to wheel it. Guys, I appreciate it. We'll see you later.